welcome back to my channel. So here I am just showing you everything I'm going to be using in this set. The XXL Pump Up Stiletto Full Cover Tips from a cart, the Peach from a cart Polygel, those acrylic dipping powders I got off of AliExpress, the SXC Cosmetics Base and Top Coat, some glitter, those rhinestones I got off of AliExpress as well. Here are my sizes. This brush I actually got for some acrylic. I'm going to be trying to do some acrylic. Okay, I'm going to be starting off with the pinky nail. I'm going to be applying that base coat into the inside of that nail. I'm going to be doing glitter on the whole nail is going to be glitter. This actually came in a Your Nail Lab subscription. I don't remember which one. So I'm just gonna keep applying the glitter over the whole nail, and then I cured it. And then this is the pointer finger, I believe. And I'm going to do the same process, but I'm going to use a different glitter, like a yellowish glitter. I don't remember where I got this glitter. I believe it was Born Pretty, but I'm not sure. And then the ring finger and the middle finger. I'm going to buff those. I'm going to apply my base coat. A thin layer. You don't want it to be too thick. And then I get the acrylic. And this is a cuticle pusher. I just use it to help pour the acrylic on the wet base gel. At first I was trying to do a French tip, and then I changed my mind. And then I cured it. And then I added another layer of base gel. And then you add another layer of the acrylic. And then you cure that as well. I think I did it 3 times. And then I added my top coat. I did a pretty thick layer of the top coat. And then I cured that as well. And then this is me applying them to my nail. I just used the Peach Polygel from a cart. I put a little bead in by the cuticle, and then I spread it out. And then I apply it to my nail, making sure to wipe away any of the spillage. And then I cured it for 30 seconds. And then the nails with the glitter, I added a top coat to those so the glitter wouldn't move. And then the thumbnail, I added the 2 glitters together. And then I filed, shaped and buffed all the nails. The ones with the glitter weren't too bad. I just had to shape them up a little bit, but the ones that had the acrylic, I had to spend some time on shaping those because they got a little thick. And then here's all the nails after I finished. I'm gonna add a top coat before I add my rhinestones. I'm gonna top coat all the nails. I do love adding that top coat after you've buffed your nails, and then you add that top coat and you see like how it turned out. And then I did that to all the nails, and then I cured it for 60 seconds. And then here I'm adding my Carte rhinestone gel to my nail, where I'm gonna put the rhinestones. Here I'm just adding my cuticle oil. Like I said in my previous video, I can't find a link for this. I don't know where I can't find it anywhere. I'm just gonna rub that in. And then here how the nails turn out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a great day. Bye guys. Yeah, they glow in the dark as well. How cool. So pretty. Bye guys.